Hey friends, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn how to make money using Fiverr. So there are a lot of online money making websites and one of them is Fiverr. If you are curious about learning a way to make money on Fiverr without having any skills or without having any recommendations, then keep watching this guide. Fiverr may be a virtual marketplace wherever patrons and sellers will trade services that are supported with their talent sets. As a world of freelance marketplace with a presence in the additional than 160 countries, it is probably the foremost well liked nowadays. So there are like 42 million patrons annually victimizing on the Fiverr. The worth of the Fiverr gross merchandise is nearly $700 million, creating it one of all the most important freelance marketplace in the world. In exchange of money, it is marketplace for individuals to sell their skills. Sellers are eligible for like 18th of what they earn. So in a very competitive market, wherever a lot of businesses are searching for freelance support and professionals are beginning to remote careers, Fiverr is well positioned to capture some work. In this guide, we will discuss the Fiverr, how Fiverr works and the way anyone will make money on Fiverr with no skills. Simply keep watching this video ahead. Fiverr could be a platform wherever you will be part of like gratis and sell your freelance services. It is a good possibility if you need to alter into different platforms as a freelancer or if you only want some more money. But before you will begin making money, you will initially thought to find out how to make the gigs on Fiverr. So gigs is one of the way by using which you work on the Fiverr and you get paid for your services. So Fiverr, which will attract purchases and generate sales for you, is by using a gig. So gig overview is that first go to the section where you can create the gig. You will be asked to fill out three things for this one: your gig title, then your target class, and relevant search tags. So tags are very important while making the gigs because this will be the searched by purchaser and it will be purchased at your gig section. So write your gig title in 80 characters at least and place your applicable class. So Fiverr can also counsel the classes for you if you don't know how to make the gigs. Okay. And next, if you wish to feature the relevant search tags, then you can also buy some credits and use those credits to promote your gigs. By using these gigs, you can make a lot of money on Fiverr. So just go to the Fiverr and sign up today. Thank you guys.